Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X6 M Competition in Marina Bay Blue Metallic with the Black Merino Leather inside. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X6 M Competition in Marina Bay Blue Metallic. It's kind of a tongue twister. So I just hit unlock there, we got the headlights coming on. And let me do a lap all the way around. This paint looks so good, especially with all the lights on it. You can see some of the darkness and some of the light parts of it. You can see a bit of that welcome light carpet coming through. It's a little bit faint in here. But yeah, this paint looks so sweet. So, you know what we gotta do. We gotta take a closer look at all the details. So we've got the Marina Bay Blue Metallic. This paint has so much depth to it. Anywhere where the light is, like right here, you can see how bright the blue is. But then in places where the light's not hitting it, it gets really dark. And yeah, the paint, it just has so much depth into it, which is sweet. And we've got the lines coming down the hood here. There's two here, there's two here. And they kind of taper off right in this section. We've got the rondelle up front. We've got the one-piece matte black kidney grille with the horizontal slats, which are new for the 2024 LCI. And there's the black X6M badging there. And when you look right in there, you can see we've got some struts, we've got some rods. Down here, we've got some oil coolers and intercoolers. So that's all pretty sweet. You got your front camera, you got some sensors, some radar, spot for the front tow hook. But overall, front bumper design looks sweet, and headlights, welcome light animation looks pretty good too. And yeah, looks very aggressive, very muscular. And if you look from this angle, you'll see that this is kind of tapered back a little bit to give it that shark nose effect. Looks cool. And then when we look at the headlights a little bit closer, you'll see that these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. So we've got the double chevron design there. I think that looks pretty sweet. And I like all those little things in there that are reflecting off the lights, those little triangles. And all the little triangles there too, that looks really cool. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 21-inch front, 22-inch rear, star spoke, 809M wheels in jet black burnish with the massive red M compound brake back there. So that's the 21-inch. This is the 22-inch. So even more concave and a bit wider. But the design looks amazing. I love it with the red M compound brake back there. X6M gets this special detailing on the fender with the X6M. It is called an air breather. There's no real air that can go through there though, but it looks cool. And that creates a line that goes up and around and up. So that looks very dynamic. And at the bottom, we do have a little bit of a different color contrast here. And that little slot there is where the welcome light comes out of, or where it can be viewed from. So that's what it looks like. You can kind of see it. We have the black M wing mirrors. We have the panoramic sunroof up top. We have the new style antenna. We have black window surrounds, and the overall side profile of this vehicle is pretty mean. We'll get another shot of it from the other side later on. And when we get to the back here, you'll see that we have a little deck lid spoiler up top, and then we've got this black spoiler on the actual tailgate. And we have those inverted L-shaped taillights back here, which look great. We have the huge reflectors on the widest sections. And just look at these over fenders here too. That looks sweet. We have this black X6M badging here, competition. We've got the quad exhaust tips at the bottom with the rear diffuser, and you can see that they're set sort of, the inner ones are a little bit further out. So that looks cool, staggered like that. I've got the key with me. So if I kick my foot underneath the middle of the car, we can have the tailgate open up. Once this opens up, this is the retractable cargo cover to hide your contents when it's closed. And you can move it back a touch, and the whole thing itself can come right out. That's to hide your contents. We've got a front plate bracket that we're going to put on after the video. If I lift this up, so underneath here, there's more storage space, carpeted floor mats, there's your wheel lock key and tow hook, and there's a little box there that has the other bolts that were replaced by wheel locks. And we have this little section here that's cut out for this to be stored in if you wanted to take it out. And there's a little box here, so in Canada, this is personal eSIM. It doesn't work yet. There's nobody that wants to work with BMW in Canada to make this work, but it still comes with the car. Right now it's a souvenir. And we also have a 12-volt plug underneath here with some illumination. There's a fuse box back here, grocery bag hanger here, and if I open this up, down there is your tire inflator kit. And once we're done with all this, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but I can certainly kick my foot underneath to have this close the hands-free way. All right, now when we come to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the requirement for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. Fuel cap comes off counterclockwise, one click. There's a spot here to put this, and it's clockwise, one click to shut that. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, so inside you'll see that we have these manual sunshades you can put up. We have the beautiful black merino leather inside of here. Look at all this beautiful stitching. We have Bowers & Wilkins sound system. There's a bit of ambient light coming through, another ambient light strip here. We have carbon fiber interior trim. There's the beautiful Bowers & Wilkins speaker there. We've got nice stitching going across here and at the bottom. Big water bottle holder. Aluminum illuminating M door sill. Black merino leather seats with the M seat belts. Just gonna undo these. They all come done up from the factory like that. And if you fold down the seats, they fold down in a 60-40 split. There's just a release lever on the shoulder. And if you do fold down the seats, there's a little stirrup here to tie up the seat belt, so when you're putting things through there, it's not getting tangled. You do have an armrest in the center that has some storage space and some cup holders. And once that is down, you can then find the string for the center pass-through. And once all of that's back up, easy access to lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats. The seats, I love the design on them. They're so soft and supple. And the smell in here smells awesome. It smells like real leather. We have the black headliner up top, which is Alcantara. We have some lights up here as well. We have Bowers & Wilkins speakers on the ceilings in the rear. That's pretty sweet. And on the back of each front seat, there's an accessory port. So there's tablet holders, coat hangers, that kind of thing, with the USB Type-C charging port in case it is a tablet. We have some pockets on the back of each front seat. And then we've got some vents in the back of the center console with rear heated seats for the two outer positions. There's two little storage areas here, and at the bottom there's a 12-volt plug. These are the winter rubber mats. There's some illumination, of course, down there, and some vents. And on the back of the B-pillar, we also have another coat hanger on each side. So let's shut this door, and we'll open up the front passenger door next. So we've got a little light there on the door handle. Open that up. So there is your Bowers & Wilkins speaker there. We've got some stitching going across the top of the dash. More of those honeycomb patterns. We have a massage chair for the passenger, memory seats, unlock lock, door handle, window control. There's your ambient light. There's your carbon fiber. There's another Bowers & Wilkins. And again, stitching going across the bottom and on the armrest with some big deep door pockets. Aluminum illuminating X6 M Competition door sill. Full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Here's what the front seats look like with the illuminating X6M on the headrest. And because these are the sport seats, the headrest can be adjusted up and down power. We have the carbon fiber interior trim on the dash. We've got the M interaction light bar. We have the new vent designs. You can close or open them and direct where they're blowing. More triangles, more stitching, more leather, more Bowers & Wilkins. We have the curved display with iDrive 8.5. There's your vents over here as well. And down here, there is a wireless charger, 12-volt plug, USB-A, heated and cooled cup holders. There is your M gear selector with the tricolor stitching on it. Red push start button. We also have some more carbon fiber here. And if I press this, you'll see inside There's a USB Type-C charging port. The armrests also heat with the heated seats on both the center console and the door as well, which is sweet. Let's shut this door and we'll open up the driver door next. Okay, so if we approach from the driver door, let me open that up. So again, more of that Bowers & Wilkins with that sweet ambient light coming through the speaker. Tailgate up, tailgate down when the key's inside. Massage, call this the gentleman's button. So if you have a guest to the car, these seat controls the passenger seat. We got memory, we got door handle, unlock, lock. Windows were tinted, so let's not put them down, but there are 4 window controls underneath here, 1 touch up and down. I'm gonna press this button at the bottom here, makes it so only the driver controls the windows. Side mirror controls, more carbon fiber, more speakers, more pockets, more aluminum illuminating door sills, and again, the full power seat. And I love that the M seat belts are here. There's the sunroof open. We do have the Sky Lounge. It's kind of hard to see, but we do get the ambient light color showing up in the sunroof as well. It is edge lit, and these little dots are there to reflect the color coming through. We have the steering wheel here with the tricolor stitching. M at 6 o'clock, red M12, M2 config. We also have the carbon fiber shift paddles, carbon fiber on the dash, more leather head-up display. And this one has the advanced driver assist, so it does have the assisted driving plus, so it can mitigate the speed, the distance to the car in front of you, steer for you, change lanes for you, and this can all be done with no hands on the steering wheel. There's an infrared sensor here making sure you're looking forward, and this car has also all of the self-parking things, so front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot, and you can also pre-record a parking path and have it repeated again. And up top we have some ambient light, some reading lights, sunroof controls are here. We also have universal garage door opener. The visors come down. When you open that, the light turns on and the visor can come out and extend. So now that we've had a good look inside of the driver's seating area, so down here we have some exterior lighting controls, more stitching. We have a storage box here, and way down here, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we will not have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo. And we're producing 617 horsepower, 553 foot-pounds of torque. So that is absolutely wild. We have your positive battery terminal here. Your negative battery terminal is this post. It's labeled as negative. We have your washer fluid here. Just regular washer fluid, please. And look at these cool strut bars going all the way around for rigidity. So that looks sweet. And we have 2 latches underneath a BMW's hood. So we just need to send this down about halfway, send her down, and we'll get that to close properly. That is sweet. All right, so before we conclude the video, we're just gonna do one more lap all the way around. This is the classic silhouette of a sports activity coupe, and ever since the X6 came out, all the other German manufacturers have made their own sports activity coupes, so it is definitely a unique niche in the market for a vehicle like this. But yeah, BMW is kind of the trendsetter for this body style. And you know what? I've got the key with me. Why don't we do this? I'm just gonna head back to the back here. And the new style key does actually say on it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Man, that cold start sounds amazing. I love the V8 sounds. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X6 M Competition in Marina Bay Blue Metallic with the Black Merino Leather inside. We got red M Sport brake, or red M compound brakes. We got Shadowline everything. We got advanced driver assist. This car is fully loaded. How do you like the spec? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.